Greetings to everyone. Welcome to the School News Bulletin for the month of September. The month was filled with remarkable events, academic initiatives and great achievements that added great value to our school life. We began with the Teachers' Day, honoring our mentors with love and respect. The parents-teacher meeting and LOC signing for senior students ensured smooth academic planning, while the evening and Sunday online classes reflected the shared commitment of teachers and learners towards excellence. September also witnessed the vibrant Hindi Divas celebration and an insightful workshop by eminent lawyers on child safety. The month was further enriched with special assemblies and the festive celebration of the Shehra, where students dressed up as different goddesses on different days. On the academic front, students appeared for the SOF examination and the achieving deservers of the midterm club were honored with medals and certificates. The month concluded with high energy and enthusiasm in the sports trials, giving our young talents an opportunity to showcase their skills. Indeed, September was a month that combined learning, celebration and achievement in the truest sense.
The month of September began with the joyous celebration of Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to honoring our mentors who guide and inspire us in every walk of life. The auditorium was filled with energy as students welcomed their teachers with applause, heartfelt speeches, and creative performances. Cultural programs, songs, and dances showcase the deep respect and admiration students hold for their teachers. This day was not just an event, but a heartfelt reminder of the immense role teachers play in shaping young minds and leading to brighter futures.
भाग्य है कि आप हमारे गुरु हैं। आपके जैसा दूसरा कोई नहीं है। Thank you so much, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day. बड़े होकर आपकी तरह बनना चाहते हैं। We love you, ma'am.
September also marked an important academic event with parent-teacher meeting for the senior grades. It provided a valuable platform for parents to interact with teachers, discuss their ward's performance and collaborate on ways to ensure academic improvement. Alongside this, the LOC signing was carried out for the students of grades 10 and 12, a crucial step for preparing for the upcoming board examinations. This process ensures smooth coordination and accountability, keeping students prepared and focused for the challenges ahead. Together, the PTM and LOC signing reflected the school's commitment to maintaining transparency and strong partnership with parents.
To give students additional support beyond regular school hours, evening classes and Sunday online classes are organized throughout the session. These classes create opportunities for students to clear doubts, revise key topics, and receive personalized attention from teachers. The effort of our faculty who went the extra mile to guide our students and the sincere participation of learners reflected a true spirit of dedication. Such initiatives not only strengthen book knowledge but also build confidence and discipline among students as they prepare for the examinations.
The celebration of Hindi Divas was held from 10th to the 12th of September with great zeal and pride. Students from all grades participated actively in a variety of literary events. The 3-day celebration included debate competitions on the relevance of Hindi in today's world, essay writing that showcased creative expressions, speech presentations filled with thoughts, and storytelling sessions that brought alive the beauty of narration in Hindi.
Along with these, many other activities added charm and enthusiasm to the occasion. The celebration reminded everyone that Hindi is not just a language of communication, but also a symbol of our culture, unity and identity.
A very important workshop on prevention of children from sexual offences, POCSO, was conducted by an eminent lawyer, Ritvik Rastogi. The session focused on spreading awareness about verbal, physical and virtual abuses. Students were encouraged to be alert, speak up and know their rights. He also emphasized that helpline numbers should be used wisely and responsibly, not for revenge but for safety and support. The workshop ended with an engaging 5-question quiz which made the session informative and interactive.
पॉक्सो का मतलब क्या है? पॉक्सो है प्रिवेंशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम सेक्सुअल ऑफेंस। जब आपको अपने राइट्स के बारे में पता है अभी तो आप उसका यूटिलाइजेशन कर सकते हैं। अब यहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं ऑफेंसेस की। जो ऑफेंसेस आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, अब ये जो ऑफेंसेस है ना, ये सारी लीगल डेफिनेशंस पे हम नहीं जाएंगे। लीगल डेफिनेशन समझने के लिए हमारा माइंडसेट वैसा होना चाहिए कि हमें लॉ के बारे में पता हो, ठीक है? तो हम क्या समझेंगे, इनको हमने 3 ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया। We divided these offenses into 3 broad categories. पहला है physical abuse, दूसरा है verbal abuse, and third one is online abuse. अब ये जो तीनों abuses हैं, वो सारे sexual kinds के अगर होंगे, तो पॉक्सो के अंदर punishable.
This month, our school will witness a series of special assemblies across different trades, where students came forward with confidence and creativity to share meaningful themes and values. And now let's take a moment to highlight the best assemblies of previous month. Grade 1 Omega presented their assembly on all work and no play make Jack a dull boy, reminding everyone that study and play together make life happy and balanced.
All work and no play makes you sad and great. Good morning everyone, I am Devan Sanjay. Today grade 1 Omega is going to conduct the morning assembly. The thought of the day is life is full bags of work and play. I repeat, life is full bags of work and play. The topic for today's assembly is all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This proverb means that if someone only one can never rest, for unless they will become bored or uninteresting. It highlights the importance of balancing work with play. We need to work to learn new things, do our jobs and help our family. Study is important because it helps us to learn new things and develop foundational skills which are crucial for success. If only a study might be like a drug that's always being used but never gets us, it's better to have a good balance of study, work and play.
Grade 9 Iota presented their assembly on O Captain, My Captain, a touching poem by Walt Whitman, written as a tribute to President Abraham Lincoln, beautifully showcasing leadership and sacrifice.
Oh Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rack, the prize we sought is born. The port is near, the bells are here, the people all exulting, while follow eyes the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. But oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, falling cold and
This poem is written by Walt Whitman in the tribute of American President Abraham Lincoln after he was assassinated. The speaker celebrates the end of a difficult journey. The ship, representing the United States, has weathered the storm and reached the victory end of a civil war. The whole nation is honoring the captain, Abraham Lincoln, for guiding the nation this successfully. However, there's a sudden twist. The captain lies still, unresponsive, as he's dead.
Both the classes have truly raised the bars with the engaging and inspiring assembly, leaving a lasting impact on all of us. Congratulations to Grade 1 Omega and Grade 9 Iota for their outstanding assemblies.
Good always triumph over evil. The festival of Dussehra celebrated with devotion and joy through a special assembly presented by students. The program showcased rich culture and tradition of India, highlighting the victory of Lord Ram over Ravan through songs, narration and performances. The assembly spread out timeless message of courage, righteousness and victory of truth.
Knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is true success. The SOF examinations were conducted successfully in our school. A large number of students participated with determination and enthusiasm. These Olympiads provide students with an excellent opportunity to test their academic abilities and showcase their knowledge at national and international level. The excitement and commitment of students reflected their eagerness to learn and grow.
Another proud moment of September was the distribution of medals and certificates to the Midterm Club achievers. These awards were given to the students who performed consistent hard work in the Midterm Club activities. This ceremony filled the school with a sense of pride as achievers walked up to the stage, cheered by their classmates and teachers. This recognition served as motivation for others, reminding every student that dedication, persistence, and hard work always leads to success. It was indeed a moment that was celebrated not just for individual brilliance, but also the spirit of healthy competition and collective encouragement.
Champions are made from practice, perseverance, and passion. The school trials of various games are currently underway. The students are participating with great energy, discipline, and enthusiasm as they compete for a place in the school teams. The trials not only tested individual skills but also displayed teamwork, sportsmanship, and the spirit of a healthy competition. The campus is filled with excitement as students eagerly await for the final team selection.
As we wrap up the news bulletin for the month of September, we look back on a journey that reflected dedication, talent, and festive spirit. From academic growth to cultural celebration, from awareness programs to sportsmanship, each event added another milestone to our school's progress. With this, we conclude our bulletin for September. Thank you for joining us. Stay connected with OMK Connects.